What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm here to give you a long-term review and gaming test of Vivo X80 after 1 years. So in July 2023 we should buy this phone or not, and if yes, then we should buy this as a brand new or as a second-hand phone. Let's check it out. It was released in April 2022 and it was the flagship killer phone at the time, which comes with MediaTek Dimensity 9000 octa-core processor, which is based on 4 nanometer, and Mali G710 GPU, which is very optimized for gaming, as well as there is an additional processing chip called V1 Plus to enhance the photography. The MediaTek Dimensity 9000 processor is much better than Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which controls the heat and make our gaming smoother. Talking about its build quality, the phone has Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front and eco leather on the back side, which makes the phone more premium. But this device doesn't have metal bumper, but it feels good in hand and gives the premium feels. Looks wise, it exactly looks like the Vivo X80 Pro, and it's really hard to find out whether it is X80 or X80 Pro. The only cons of this device is that it doesn't have IP68 rating, and as well as it doesn't have wireless charging system. About the display section, it has 6.78-inch AMOLED Curved Full HD Plus display with 120Hz of refresh rate and 1500 nits of peak brightness. While using the device, it feels super smoother due to its 120Hz refresh rate. While watching the content on the device, it provides the good color balance and deep black due to the cause of HDR10 Plus support. Display wise, there is no any complaint and issue. As you can see here, this device has FunTouch OS 13 with Android 13, and it has 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM, and even we can extend the RAM up to 4GB, and there is another variant too with 12GB RAM and 256GB ROM. Talking about the FunTouch OS, it is not fully optimized, but it is okay to use, and as we know, it comes with a lot of bloatware software which you never gonna like. While opening the apps, the device handles every task very smoothly, and apps opening time is very fast. As you can see here, it feels super smooth and faster, as well as it can handle multiple tasks smoothly. Let's talk about its camera section. It has triple camera setup on the backside, whereas the Vivo X80 Pro has quad camera setup on the backside. The primary camera 50 megapixel with aperture f1.8, and the device has optical image stabilizer support for the better video recording. The another one 12 megapixel ultra wide camera to capture the wide depth of view, and the last one 12 megapixel 2x optical telephoto lens camera to capture the video and photo in the portrait mode. As you can see here, the device has Zeiss T-Star coating. Those who don't know about the T-Star lens coating, it is a type of lens which control the light reflection while capturing the photo and videos. Talking about the front camera, it has 32 megapixel selfie camera with aperture f2.5 to capture the photo and selfie videos, and the front camera does only support up to 1080p resolution, and it doesn't have any 4K recording option. So now let's try some gaming tests. So first of all, let's play Call of Duty Mobile. Alright guys, so now let's talk about its graphics settings. So we will get ultra frame rate with low graphics and very high graphics with max frame rate. Alright, so now let's do some gaming test here. So first of all, let's play multiplayer. The device has dual stereo speaker to improve the gaming, so we can get the best quality sound while playing the games. And before playing the games, let's check out some temperature of the device. So right now, as you can see here, it's 97°F. So after playing the games, we will check again the temperature of the device.
Frontline. Lost the lead. Contato inimigo. Falta ferido. Cartão vermelho.
gun ready for deployment. Sentry gun deployed.
Inside! Target down!
Enemy contact.
Alright guys, so now let's play PUBG Mobile and let's check it out, the FPS and the graphics that we will get by the PUBG Mobile on this device. Okay, so before playing the PUBG Mobile, let's check it out the temperature of the device. And so right now, as you can see, it's 97.9 here on the front, and on the back side the temperature is, so it's 97.5. Now let's see the graphics setting of the device, and as you can see here, we can play up to 90 fps and smooth graphics. In HDR and Ultra HDR we can play up to extreme fps only. Okay, so now let's play some TDM match in 90 fps in smooth graphics.
The blue team has scored for the first time!
Enemy down! Target down!
Killing spree for the blue team!
No mercy! Enemy down! No mercy!
Okay guys, so after the game, let's check out the temperature of the device. And now as you can see here, from the back side it's 97.9 and previously it was 97.5, and from the front as you can see it's 98.1, so it's almost the same. So after this, now you can realize the temperature of the device is well managed by the processor, and the gaming wise it doesn't have any kind of lags and issue while playing the games. And I almost did 1 hours of gaming, and in 1 hours I just lost the 10% of battery drain. So battery consumption is also good of the device. The device handles the temperature and fps in balanced way, so the performance of this device is awesome and no any complaints regarding the lags and fps drops. Hence the Dimensity 9000 chipset is fully optimized and better than Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 that controls heating issue while gaming, and you cannot notice lags and fps drops while playing heavy games like PUBG Mobile and COD Mobile. Finally, the conclusion is that yes, you can really have this phone. The device has 4500 mAh battery with 80 watt flash charging system, which charge 50% in 11 minutes as per the company's statement, but I never get that. Although it has 4500 mAh battery, it is quite enough for one day due to its Dimensity 9000 processor, which is power efficient. And lastly, if you want to buy this phone at the present time, yes, you can really buy this phone. In my opinion, don't go for the brand new. Instead of that, go for the second one with the good condition, so that you can save the huge amount of money. Finally guys, if you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more interesting content. Thanks for watching. Take Shrestha.